So good morning. So my name is Naveeth Kumar. So I am a online tutor and I'm having of 10 years of teaching experience in engineering college as an assistant professor. So today we are going to discuss about the structure of the atom and then gravitation in the class grade 9 and then grade 10. So this is the structure of the atom. So what do you mean by atom? So atom neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form into another form. So this is the basic thing about the atom. And then atom structure is consist of the center part is the nucleus, and then protons are positively charged particles, and then neutrons are the negatively charged particles. So here the protons and the neutrons make up the nucleus of the atom, which will be surrounded by the electrons belonging to the atom. Is right? So protons and neutrons make up the nucleus of the atom, and the neutral atom have equal number of protons and then electrons. Atom may be gain or lose electrons in order to increase the stability. So these things are discussed in the previous grades. So now we are going to discuss about the discovery of the subatomic particles. The discovery in 1900, the J.J. Thomson will be discovered the negatively charged, and in 1886 Goldwyn will discover the new radiation that is called as positively charged X-rays, that is a canal rays, can be developed. And in 1932 Chadwick discovered the particles present having no charge in the atoms is known as neutrons. This is the structure of the atom about the Thomson model of an atom. So Thomson model will be described about that it will be acting as a uh, budding shape. In budding shape is nothing but positive and negative are the budding in nature. He proposed that the positively charged pair and the electrons will be embedded. So it's acting as a plum shape model. And the negative and positive charges are also in magnitude, equal in magnitude. So the electrons will be neutral in nature. So this is about the Thomson model of an atom proposed. And then next one is the Ruther model of an atom. In the Ruther model of an atom consists of alpha particles. Here the alpha particles, more number of alpha particles are present in the stride, and then some of the alpha particles can be slightly deflected is a small angles, and then very few alpha particles will be rebound. So this about the Rutherford alpha scattering experiment will be suggested. And then so conclude that Rutherford model of an atom, the size of the nucleus will be very small, and then the electrons will be revolved around the nucleus is also in different level of orbits are gathered in the Rutherford model of an atom. And then defects about the Rutherford model, the defects is nothing but the charged particles will be radiate energy, and the due to revolving process it will be losses the energy and then fall into the nucleus. So the atoms are to be unstable in nature, but we know that atoms will be stable in nature. So here the outer layer shows that the negatively charged electron, and then inner layer shows the positively charged nucleus. And the next one is the Boger model of an atom. In the Boger model of an atom consists of positively charged nucleus is center part, and then consists of different number of cells, that is K, L, M, N. So the K, L, M, N shows the energy level of the every orbits, while revolving in the discrete orbits, the electrons cannot be radiated energy. Electrons cannot be radiated into energy. And then next part is the distribution of electron in different cell. The distribution is having some formula, that is 2n square. So n is nothing but the number of cells. The first cell shows that 2n square means 2 into 1 square. This is 2 into 1 into 1, 2 electrons. So similarly substitute the value, you get the further electrons, that is 2, 8, 18 and then 32 electrons are to be followed. The most outermost of the cell is the 8, consists of maximum number of electrons will be present in nature. So this is the composition rate of the atoms. In the composition rate describes about the name of the element, then symbol, having atomic numbers, and then how much number of protons, and then how much number of neutrons, and then distribution of electrons, and then valence electrons are to be involved in this nature. So far we discussed about the structure of an atom and then gravitational. So thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.